Are you looking to create your own online OTT platform just like Netflix and Amazon Prime? Then Streamit is the perfect solution for you. Whether you are starting in the world of digital entertainment or have years of experience, this tutorial series will guide you through the setting up of your Streamit theme. Hi everyone, I am Diya Patel from Iqonic Design, and in this tutorial we will see how we can install your Streamit theme. Also we will activate the plugins and we will also import the demo data. So let's get into the tutorial. So firstly, I will go to the WordPress dashboard, and in that I will click on Appearance. Then now I will click on Add New, and then I will click on Upload Theme. So here I will choose my file and then just click on Install Now. Now click on Activate and you will see that our theme has been installed. So now when you click on the theme, you will get a pop-up. So here just click on Install Plugin and then select all the plugins, and then from the drop down select Install and then click on Apply. So our plugins installation has been started. So here you can see all our plugins are installing, and it will take time according to your internet connection. After successfully installing all the plugins, we will click on the install plugins and then we will again select all the plugins, and then from the drop down we will select activate and then we will click on apply. So now you can see all our plugins are activated, and now I will click on the return to the dashboard link. Then we will go to the appearance, and in that we will select theme setup. Just click on start, again click on start, then click on next and then click on import. This importing may take 30 minutes of time, so be patient. So now all our demo data has been imported, and now we will click on view your website and we will see how our Streamit preview looks. So you can check out this preview. So you see how easy it was to install the Streamit theme, also activating the plugins and also importing the demo data. And in the next video, we will see how we can customize your Streamit theme using the Streamit options. So stay connected.